This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Grab an email address or phone number you control and open a browser. On the Microsoft account page, select Create Account and enter your email or phone. This links the account to Minecraft. Choose a username that you'll use across Xbox and Minecraft. Pick something memorable but not your full name. Once you submit, Microsoft sends a verification code. Get that code and enter it immediately. Make sure your device's time is correct, because codes can expire quickly. Next, set up account details and security. Create a strong password. Use mixed letters, numbers, and symbols, and write it into a password manager. Enter your birth date and region accurately so parental controls and age gates work correctly with Minecraft. Then add recovery options, an alternate email and phone for account recovery. Enable two-step verification. This prevents unauthorized access. Once done, review privacy settings. Adjust game and social defaults. Finalize by signing into Minecraft or the Xbox app with your new Microsoft account so the profile's link and purchases appear. Make sure your gamertag and privacy settings are correct. Sync any existing purchases or Microsoft Store content. If activation asks for additional verification, follow prompts carefully. Troubleshooting tip. If sign-in fails, clear the app cache, try an incognito browser, or reset your password. If that doesn't work, use Microsoft Support Chat for account recovery. Have verification info ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.